Namaskar, I am Adarsh. Welcome to Adarsh Education Society.
Good morning students, Standard 4. Our subject is Maths. Today we are going to start a new topic, how heavy, how light. Now this concept you have studied in Standard 3 also. What is heavier and what is lighter? Means which things weigh more and which things weigh less. The things that weigh more are heavier, that is heavy, and the things that weigh less are lighter, isn't it? So in this chapter we are going to study about some things which are heavy and some of the things which are light. So let us start with our new chapter, chapter 12, how heavy, how light. How heavy, how light, page number 133. Jaiju and Manu were shifting house. They loaded all their things on a horse cart. There were many things like a water tank, 5 sacks of wheat, 3 tables, an almirah, 4 chairs, 2 mattresses, 3 sacks of rice, a bamboo ladder, pots and pens. Now Jaiju and Manu were shifting the house. Shifting, we also shift our house. We also shift our place. We go from one place to another, from one house to another. In the same way, Jaiju and Manu were shifting their house. They loaded all their things on a horse cart. Now whatever was the things inside their house, they loaded all the things on the horse cart. There were many things like a water tank, sacks of wheat, 3 tables, an almirah, 4 chairs, 2 mattresses, 3 sacks of rice, a bamboo ladder, pots and pans. These are all the common things which everyone has in its house, isn't it? A table, a chair, almirah, etc. When they were ready to move, the horse refused to start. They wondered why. So when all the things were packed, all their things were loaded in the horse cart, they were ready to move, but the horse was not moving. The horse was not going further. Their father said that this horse was not well and would not pull a load heavier than 700 kg. Oh, but how heavy is this load? They asked. So when they were about to move, the horse refused to move. So they asked their father that why this horse is not moving, why it is not going further. So their father replied them that the horse is not feeling well. Since 2 days the horse is not feeling well, and that's why he is not able to carry so much load. And the total load he can carry is only 700 kg. But we have put things more than that. So he is not able to move. On the next page, father gave them some idea of the weight of each thing. Now father gave them some idea that how much weight they have put on the horse cart. That one sack of wheat will be of 100 kg, water tank will be of 50 kg. So he is giving the idea that how much they have put the load on the horse cart. Find out the total weight they had loaded on the cart. Now he is telling them that find out the weight. Let us find out the weight, how much they have put on the horse cart. Now a sack of wheat, one sack is of 100 kg. So how many sacks are there of wheat? There are 5 sacks of wheat. So total wheat. Then the other is a sack of rice. How many sacks of rice are there? 3. So 3 multiplied by 35 is equal to 105 kg. Then the next, water tank. A water tank means only one water tank is there. So 1 into 50 will be 50. Then almirah. An almirah means only one almirah is there. Then the next is a table. 3 tables are there. Table of weight of one table is 10 kg. So what will be the weight of 3 tables? 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30 kg. Then chair. 4 chairs are there. What is the weight of one chair? 5 kg, and the number of chairs are 4. So 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20 kg. Then the next, a mattress. 2 mattresses are there. So 2 multiplied by 20 is equal to 40 kg. Then bamboo ladder. 1 bamboo ladder is there. So 1 multiplied by 10 is equal to 10 kg. And the next is pots and pans. 1 pots and pans, number of that is 1. So 1 multiplied by 10 is equal to 10 kg. Now let us calculate the total weight we have loaded on the horse cart. So what will be the total weight? 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 2, 17 plus 4, 21, 22, 23, 3, 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8. 835. So what is the total weight? 835 kg. Now they decided to remove a few things from the cart. Which things should be removed so that the weight of the load is not more than 700 kgs? Now the horse can carry only 700 kg. So we have to remove some of the things. The total weight is 835. So we have to make it 700 kg. So for that we have to remove some things from the horse cart. So what things we will remove? First let us see how much the weight is more. So how can we find that? 835 minus 700, that is 135. So 135 weight is extra. So we have to remove such things which will total to weight of 135. So what things we can remove? We will remove sack of rice which is 105 kg, and the other thing we will remove is the table. Other thing we will remove is table. 105 plus 30 is 135 kg. So less 105, that will be 30, and less 30. So we will remove a sack of rice and a table so that the weight will be 700 kg. Now the next, the things which were loaded on the cart were big in size and also were heavy. To measure the weight of such heavy and big things we need a big balance. But Jaiju and Manu wanted to make their own balance. They collected a few things, a stick, two leads and a thick thread. They made this balance. So we know that to measure different things we need different balance. The goldsmith, the jewelers, they have different balance to weigh their gold. Then vegetable sellers, they also have their different balance to weigh the vegetables. Next, when we want to measure something heavy, there are heavy measuring scales to measure heavy things, isn't it? Here Jaiju and Manu, they wanted to make their own balance. So with the help of a stick, two leads and a thick thread, they are making a measuring scale. They are making their balance. We have also done this activity in our class, isn't it? Now you also make your own balance. Write down how you have made it. Also draw a picture of your balance in the box below. You have to also draw a picture of the balance that you have made. On the next page, activity. Manu and Jaiju put a pencil and a geometry box in the two pans of the balance. Which pen will go down? Why? Draw a picture to show it. Now we have to draw a picture to show that which balance will go down. In one pen we will put a geometry box and in the other pen we will put a pencil. So which pen will go down? The pen which has geometry box will go down. What is heavier? Make pair of different things and use the balance to decide which is heavier. First guess which things will take the pan down and then check with your balance. What is the heaviest? Make group of three things. Now make a pair of different things and use the balance to decide which is heavier. Now we can take two different things and balance it. We can say which one is heavier and which one is lighter. First guess which thing will take the pan down and then check with your balance. So to see which one is heavy and which one is light, how we can know that which is heavy and which is light? So the pen which goes down, that is heavy, and the pen which goes up is lighter. Now what is the heaviest? Make group of three things. For example, eraser, ball and paper. Use the balance to arrange them in order of weight. The lightest, the one with in between weight, the heaviest. Complete the table with at least 5 examples. Now here we have to give some examples which are light in weight, then which are some little heavier than that, and then the heaviest. For example, paper, eraser and ball. The other thing we can take is a pencil. Example is given to us. Paper, eraser and ball. The other thing we can take is pencil, book and dictionary. We can take any three things. For example, cherry, apple, watermelon. Then we can take a glass, a bottle and a pot. Then next, a handkerchief, a dupatta, and then a sari or a bed sheet. So we can take any three things and make a list of different things. Now on the next page, do this activity in pairs. You need a balance, weights, a cake of soap, plastic packets, sand and a rubber bands. You can also take help of an older person. Get a new cake of soap. The packet will have the weight written on it. You can use this soap to make your own different weights. Now we can make our different weights. For this activity we have to take a packet, an empty plastic packet, little bit sand and a rubber band or a thread. So how we can make our weights, our balance? Then we will take our measuring scale. In one pan we will put a soap which can measure 200 grams. A soap which can measure to 100 grams. So in one pan we will put the soap of 100 grams, and in the other pan we will put in the plastic packet we will put the sand till both the pans are equal. So when we get the equal pans, what will be the weight of the sand? The weight of the sand will be 100 gram. Weight of the sand will also be 100 gram. So in this way we can make our own weights. So in the blanks there, the soap weighs, you can write 100 grams. Put it in one pan of the balance. Put the soap in the other pan. Slowly add sand to the packet till the pen are balanced. So we have to balance them. Close the packet with a rubber band or a string. Now stick a strip of paper and write. Now we have got the sand is 100 grams. So stick a paper on that of 100 gram. If you put the soap and the weight you just made together in a pan, how many grams will both this weigh? What is the weight of both the items? That is 200 gram. So write there 200 grams. Now make different weights with 150 gram, 200 gram and 250 gram. You can use soap of different weights for this. Also make some bigger weights of 500 gram, 1000 gram. Use your weights to weigh different things and write it in your notebook. So in this we can measure different things. We can use soap of different measures like 150 gram, 250 gram, and then in the other pan we can measure the sand in our packet so that we can get the sand of 200 gram, 250 gram, etc. weighing the soap. We can make our own measures with different packets. Like we can take 250 gram of tea packet, and in the other pan we can make the packet of sand. We can take the packet of 1 kg of salt. Anything we can take. 500 gram of tea packets. We can put two packets together, one of 250 gram and other of 500 gram. Then both together we can get 750 grams. So in this way we can make different packets. Now on the next page, practice time. Which pan of the balance will go down? Show by drawing an arrow. Now here some of the items are given. We have to find out which is heavier and which is lighter. The things which are heavier there we have to put an arrow. For example, 25 65 gram. 35 gram and 40 grams make 75 gram. So which one is heavier? 75 grams. So we have to put an arrow there. Then the next one, 75 gram, 75 gram, 75 gram, 75 gram, and the other is 35 gram, 140 gram. So which one will be heavier? 75 plus 75 makes 150. And 35 plus 140 makes 175 gram. So which one will be heavier? 175 gram. This one will be heavier. Then the next 105 gram and 200 gram. 105 gram and 200 gram. The other is 150 gram and 250 gram. So which one will be heavier? 105 plus 200 is equal to 305. And this is 400. So which one will be heavier? 400 gram will be heavier. Then the next 55 plus 245 gram plus 700 gram. And in the other pen it is 254 gram plus 600 gram. So which one will be heavier? 5 plus 5 10, 0, 1, again 10, 0, 1, 1000 gram. And what is the weight here? 4, 5, 8 gram. So which one is heavier? 1000 gram. This is heavier. Then the next, in the same way, 20 gram and 196 gram makes 20 gram and 196 gram makes 20 plus 196 will make 216 gram, and the other is 197 gram. So which one will be heavier? 216 gram will be heavier. And in the other, next one, 36 gram plus 75 gram, that is 111 gram. And in the other it is 63 gram and 100 gram. So that will be 163 gram. So which one will be heavier? So 163 gram is heavier. So students, we will stop here. Further we will learn in our next video. Till that, thank you students.